Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather here across the ArkLaTex over the course of the next week to 10 days, and it still looks like a rather active week ahead of us. You can see today we have seen the clouds move out. Notice the flag there in downtown Marshall as the stream is stopped right now, but it is whipping as we have seen gusts that have been anywhere from 40 to, in some spots, as high as 50 miles per hour today. And moving forward, we're going to be looking at again, the wind dying down a bit during the nighttime hours tonight. You can see the current gusts across the area, anywhere from 25 to 35 miles per hour. This is a look at the peak wind gusts, 51 mile per hour gust in Longview since midnight, 40 miles per hour in Shreveport, and 44 miles per hour in Texarkana. This is what we're looking at. Again, we're going to be quiet here for the next few days, but our next storm system is going to be approaching. Ahead of it, we will see the wind shift around to the south and southwest. That will bring in some much warmer air as we head into tomorrow and especially Thursday. Temperatures Thursday could be close to 70, and that cold front and the area of low pressure to our southwest, they will bring the threat for some strong to severe thunderstorms across the area, mainly Thursday night. Here's a look at Robin Sawyer to Futurecast, and you can see that as we progress our way through the nighttime hours tonight, the wind will decrease as we will be mostly clear and cold. Temperatures will dip below freezing over most of the ArkLaTex. And then tomorrow, looking at lots of sunshine, big warm up with that breezy southwesterly wind as temperatures likely will return to the 50s and lower 60s for daytime highs. Clouds begin to increase across the area tomorrow night. Thursday is looking mostly cloudy, rather breezy once again, as we'll see a possibility for a shower or thunderstorm towards sunset over the northwest edge of the area. That activity will slowly inch its way towards the north and east, and as the cold front itself makes its way into the region by midnight Thursday night, you can see that band of thunderstorms which will progress its way towards the south and east as we go through the rest of the nighttime hours Thursday night. And severe weather will be a possibility. Behind that system, we should see the return of some sunshine for Friday. As far as this weekend, it looks good to start as we'll see a partly cloudy sky as we go through Saturday with temperatures that will be a bit on the cool side with highs mainly in the 50s. More on what happens at the end of the weekend here in a second. But let's talk about Thursday night. Severe weather is on the table. Here is the outlook from the Storm Prediction Center showing the slight severe weather risk. That's a level 2 on that 1 to 5 scale, and it does still appear as if all severe weather threats will be possible. Wind and hail will be our biggest concern, but again, a tornado or two also will be possible, especially over the southeast half of the area. Now, these storm systems lined up. We have our next one coming in Thursday night. And then behind that, a big surge of Arctic air is going to slide its way southward, and you can see that associated front is going to move through sometime Sunday night, Monday. And as it pushes in, we'll start to see some rain that likely will change over to some freezing rain, sleet, and eventually maybe a little bit of snow across the area. Now, there's still some uncertainty. Models are coming together that this is going to be a distinct possibility that we'll get at least something. The big question is what and how much of that. And it does look like we'll get a little bit of everything as far as the system is concerned. Of course, here in the ArkLaTex, it doesn't take much to cause some travel issues, so prepare for that for travel on Monday and possibly even Tuesday, because it's doubtful that we will see temperatures rise much above freezing probably through Tuesday. And then we'll try to warm up a little bit as we go through the rest of next week. So this is what it looks like in your forecast for tonight. We will see a clear sky. The wind will die down. Temperatures will dip below freezing. 31 degrees tonight in Shreveport, 29 in Natchitoches, and 27 degrees in Texarkana. Tomorrow, expect to see lots of sunshine. It will be much warmer with a breezy, if not windy, southwesterly wind. That's 15 to 20 miles per hour. We'll see gusts in excess of 20. Expect daytime highs to range from the upper 50s north to the lower 60s south. That includes 63 in Shreveport, 58 in Texarkana, and 61 degrees in Marshall. Your 10-day forecast shows another windy day in the wake of those storms Friday. Again, severe weather a possibility Friday night. Weekend should be dry, but then Sunday night we'll see that rain change over to the winter mix. Again, some accumulation is looking promising at this point. Still too early to determine exactly how much and again what. And then we'll get cold. Notice Monday morning 22, Tuesday morning 14, 21 degrees Wednesday. We very well could stay below freezing for more than 24 hours early next week, so keep that in mind as well. And then we'll see temperatures moderate back to the 40s by the time we get to the middle part of next week. So lots going on in the weather department here for the next week, with severe weather a possibility as we look ahead to Thursday night, and maybe some wintry precipitation on the way for late Sunday night into Monday.